Welcome back to Magic Garden Services. I'm Valentine, your go-to landscaper. And around here, landscaping is the game. Big shout out to Refugio Green out in Brazil for the inspiration. Today's project is a full garden transformation. The grass is badly overgrown. The flower beds need some love, and there's plenty of refuse to clear out. The client has kindly moved her car, so we've got enough room to work safely. My guy is running the FS280 brush cutter, while I'll be shaping everything up with the shears. Let's get this garden looking clean, fresh, and beautiful.